What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today we're doing more PowerShell with AD Connect, and it's all about disabling the threshold between your AD Connect sync to your tenant. Now, if you're doing a massive cleanup within your Active Directory and it hits that threshold, which is 500 by default, it's going to error out. So I'm going to show you guys how to disable it. So let's get right into it. All right, so I'm logged into the server that has AD Connect. And I haven't synced anything as of yet, but let's say hypothetically I deleted like 1,000 accounts and I do a force sync to sync it to my tenant. Most likely it's going to error out because I already passed that limit of 500. So what we are going to do is open up PowerShell as an admin. And the first command that we want to run is the following. We need to do an import module. Now, the module that we're going to import would be AD-Sync. We're going to run this command. Now, the next command actually gets the export deletion threshold, which, like I stated before, is actually 500. All right. The only reason that I'm showing you this command is because later on, best practice is once you disable it, enable it with the correct number. Now, the next command that we're going to run is disable it. So we're going to disable it. So this is the command, disable AD-Sync. Export deletion threshold. Pretty simple. We're going to run that. It's disabled. Awesome. Now, the next command that we need to run is AD-Sync sync cycle, because now it's time for us to force the sync. And we're going to use the parameter of policy type. The type is going to be a delta. And I like to use another parameter of rebus. And let's run this command. Oops. Make sure you select the entire command. And let's run it again. Awesome, success. And if you go inside your synchronization manager, you're going to see that your exports, your Delta imports, they're running. Awesome. Once the last export is completed, I kind of recommend to wait until it's done. Then you're able to go back inside PowerShell and enable the threshold to 500. So for me, it's already done. So let's go back into PowerShell. The next command is to enable it, which is enable AD-Sync export deletion threshold. And you need to use the parameter of deletion threshold and set the parameter to whatever you want. Now, by default, it's 500, so keep it as is. Once you run this, let's run this command. And now it is set to 500. Awesome. Deletion prevention is set to 1. When it's deleted, it is set to 0. This right here, this column actually tells you that it is enabled. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.